Kickstart your journey to online safety with our quick guide on conducting social media security audits. Learn to shield your digital life from potential threats today. A social media security audit involves reviewing your social media accounts to identify security weaknesses. It's about understanding the risks like data breaches, account hijacking. In a world where invisible cyber threats constantly evolve, mastering and reinforcing your digital defenses becomes absolutely vital. Join us in proactively strengthening your online safety. Initiate your online security journey by listing each of your social media profiles. Grasping the full scope of your digital presence is the essential step towards ensuring comprehensive online. Delve deep into the privacy settings of each of your accounts, adjusting controls to restrict viewer access to your personal information. Take the step in securing your digital footprint. Carefully review your login history for any signs of unauthorized access and ensure to regularly refresh your passwords, significantly boosting your stance against online security threats. Thoroughly review shared content on your social media, limiting the amount of personal information you reveal. Careful sharing is key to maintaining privacy. Implement two-factor authentication across your platforms and consistently use strong, distinct passwords for each of your accounts to bolster your online security framework. Always remain extra vigilant and actively stay alert all phishing attempts or scams keenly targeting your various accounts, effectively safeguarding your digital presence against unauthorized intrusion. Be vigilant against phishing, malware, and various scams. Empower yourself and your network by learning to recognize and effectively respond to these digital threats. Security is a continuous journey. Conduct regular audits, stay informed about new trends, and consistently update your defenses to ensure your online world remains protected. Institutionalize regular security audits, and actively refine your practices to stay well ahead of evolving digital threats, thus ensuring your online presence is safeguarded. Promptly implement findings from your audit to effectively and substantially enhance your security measures, ensuring robust protection. Wisely interact with your audience, always prioritizing your digital safety and their security, carefully to foster enduring trust and ensure a secure, vibrant online community. Never shy away or delay in seeking specialized, expert advice for a comprehensive and effective security overhaul, ensuring your digital spaces are thoroughly fortified. By conducting a social media security audit, you take a proactive step towards safeguarding your online presence. Stay vigilant, secure, and proactive.
Thank you for watching. For more tips on digital security, subscribe to our channel.